Hi everyone, I'm Ruthie. I've been playing the piano for 48 years and I'm based in New Jersey, where I offer private in-home lessons. Music is my passion. I love composing, performing, and sharing my experiences, whether it's at assisted living facilities or in church settings. Today, I want to share some valuable lessons I've learned from teaching students of all levels. Let's talk about the top 5 mistakes beginners make when learning the piano and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 5 is not learning the notes. It might sound obvious, but it's absolutely essential that you learn your notes. Just like in math, you need a solid foundation to build on. If you skip the basics, things will get harder down the road and it'll snowball. I use a fun, foolproof worksheet with a mnemonic device to help students master the notes. And once you got this down, you'll be able to play countless pieces. Here's the worksheet. Here's a fun, easy way to remember the line and space notes in the treble clef and in the bass clef. Feel free to experiment with your own phrases. Mistake number 4 is not asking for help. Many students hesitate to ask questions when they're stuck. As a teacher, I look for nonverbal cues to spot confusion. If you're struggling with notes, don't be afraid to speak up. I often use a music worksheet where students create words or phrases from notes. It's a great way to reinforce learning and keep things fun. Mistake number 3 is neglecting ear training and sight reading. A lot of students want to jump straight into playing by ear and skip reading music altogether. But I often ask, do you read a book like this? Now that usually invokes a laugh, and the point is not to ridicule the student, but to have them come to the realization that music is like words on a page. Learning to read the notes and training your ear helps you understand how notes and chords work together to create harmony. And in every lesson, I always use my pencil and I help guide the student along just to get them into the habit. Mistake number 2 is cancellations. Life gets busy, but skipping lessons to do other things is going to set you back. If you don't make up missed lessons within a few days, you're going to risk losing all the progress you made and having to play catch up later. And mistake number 1 is not practicing. This one's huge. Most students don't make practicing a priority. Remember, a cartoon or a sitcom lasts around 30 minutes. This is about the same as a lesson. If you practice just 10 minutes a day, you'll set yourself up for success. Consistency beats cramming. You'll retain much more if you make this a daily habit. And those were my top 5 mistakes that beginner piano students tend to make. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a share, or subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching.